Walter's a lottery winner. Yes, he is. He got 3 spins on a lotto ticket. So that means he wins. Now we get to take the ticket back to the store and they're going to put it in the machine and we could win lots of money. Now, how much could we win? Well, when they put it in the machine, we could win $3,000 or $20 or $150,000 or $10. We won't know until we take it to the store. But if we get the bigger spin, we win up to 1 million. So let's take it to the store and see what happens. Here we're at the store. Let's see what happens. $50! You won $50, Walter! Yay for you! And there's this $50 bill. He's a lottery winner. Yes, he is. But he says that won't change him. But now what to do with his winnings? Well, he could get a new friend. Or he could put it in his piggy bank. Or he could reinvest it. What will Walter do? He's not going to put it in his piggy bank, but he is going to get a new friend. And he's going to reinvest some of it into a 649 lotto ticket. Let's see what happens. He won again! $96.40. There's his winning ticket. And there's his winning numbers. $22, $23, $47, $48. He won $96.40. Way to go, Walter. There's all your new winnings. Another 50. And some 20s and a 5. And shiny things. Oh, you love shiny things, don't you, Walter? You sure do like shiny things.